It's cooler today. Dress more warmly than yesterday. May 27th, moderate rain, gentle breeze. The high will be 69 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 56 degrees Fahrenheit. Subscription only for Washington, D.C. May 28th, heavy intensity rain, gentle breeze. The high will be 59 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 55 degrees Fahrenheit. May 29th, moderate rain, light breeze. The high will be 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 56 degrees Fahrenheit. May 30th, light rain, gentle breeze. The high will be 72 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 58 degrees Fahrenheit. May 31st, scattered clouds, moderate breeze. The high will be 76 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Subscribe. More information at weatheradar.com.